Mongolia, who faces Kyle Reyes of Canada. Tuvshinbaya in the Naidan Tuvshinbaya in the white judogi, Kyle Reyes in blue.
Man 2, the winner, and 1 for Belgium, Carmen Ifado. And on man 1, the winner, in blue, for Korea, Liu Ju. Both fighters are qualifying for the semi-finals. Involved in the under 100 kilograms category, and Liu Ju will be in the final, in this case, for women over 78 kilograms. Second semi-final for women over 78 kilograms of man 1. In white for Korea, Kim Ji-jun. And in blue for Ukraine, Ivan Vizhinska. Man 2 was assigned for the man over 100 kilo. In white for Russia, Sergei Isayev. In blue for Azerbaijan, Fushan Ikoramovic.
Reyes will pick up the penalty here for stepping out the area. He was lucky to avoid that then. Still the single Yuko lead for Naidan here.
Attention please, this is the last call for
He's just proved a little bit too clever, hasn't he, the board? And despite all of Kyle Ray's throwing skills, he hasn't been able to tie up Naden Tufshinbaya. Burn a few penalties here. We're going to go to mat number 2 then, because on mat number 2, Vladimir